Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting two of the best 16-inch laptops head-to-head, the Samsung Galaxy Book3 Ultra and the ASUS Vivobook S16. One is a premium powerhouse and the other is an incredible value champion. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the winner for you. I've included links in the description for the latest prices and deals, and if you enjoy this video, please give it a like, it helps a lot. Now, let's jump in. The Samsung Galaxy Book3 Ultra and the ASUS Vivobook S16 represent two distinct approaches to the 16-inch laptop form factor, with each offering a unique take on design, build quality, and port selection. The Galaxy Book3 Ultra is a study in minimalist luxury. Its chassis is crafted from a premium aluminum, giving it a sturdy, monolithic feel that's also exceptionally thin at just 0.64 inches. This slim profile, combined with a weight of 3.9 pounds, makes it one of the most portable 16-inch power laptops on the market. Samsung's design language is subtle and refined, featuring clean lines, a matte finish, and an absence of any flashy accents, which contributes to a professional and understated aesthetic. The lid and keyboard deck feels solid, resisting flex under pressure, and the overall construction quality is befitting of a flagship device. This emphasis on sleekness and premium feel is central to the Galaxy Book3 Ultra's design identity. In contrast, the ASUS Vivobook S16 offers a different kind of build quality, prioritizing a balance between lightness and durability. Weighing in at an even more impressive 3.3 pounds and measuring 15.9 millimeter thin, it's one of the lightest laptops in its size class. Its metal chassis feels reassuringly solid, and it holds a MIL STD810H durability certification, suggesting a resilience to minor bumps and environmental stresses. The design is similarly professional, with thin bezels and minimal branding, available in subtle metallic finishes. The Vivobook S16's lid can open up to 180 degrees, a practical feature for collaboration that highlights its focus on functional design. While the Galaxy Book3 Ultra's build exudes a sense of premium, unyielding elegance, the Vivobook S16's construction feels more like a practical, dependable tool designed for everyday robustness and portability. When it comes to ports and connectivity, both laptops manage to offer a surprising amount for their slim profiles, yet they differ slightly in their approach. The Galaxy Book3 Ultra provides a balanced selection that includes two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, one USB-A, one HDMI, a micro SD card reader, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. This is a commendable array for a thin and light machine, as it manages to retain legacy connections like USB-A and HDMI that are often omitted on competitors in the premium thin and light category. Its wireless capabilities, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.1, are also modern and fast. The Vivobook S16, meanwhile, offers a similarly generous selection with two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, two USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, a microSD card reader, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The inclusion of an extra USB-A port and the more up-to-date HDMI 2.1 standard gives it a slight edge in raw connectivity. The Vivobook's wireless support is also top-notch, featuring Intel's Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. While both laptops provide excellent connectivity for their size, the Vivobook's slightly more modern and numerous port selection, particularly the additional USB-A, caters to a wider range of peripherals without the need for an adapter. Both offer impressive features, but they approach the user experience from different perspectives, particularly when it comes to their displays, cameras, input devices, and battery longevity. The Galaxy Book3 Ultra's display is a highlight of its design, featuring a 16-inch 3K AMOLED panel with a 16:10 aspect ratio and a 120Hz refresh rate. This screen provides the characteristic deep blacks and infinite contrast of AMOLED technology, along with vibrant colors and excellent brightness, making it suitable for professional creative work and outdoor use. Its HDR True Black 500 certification ensures enhanced detail in dark scenes, solidifying its position as one of the best displays on a Windows laptop. The ASUS Vivobook S16 counters with its own stunning 16-inch OLED display, which boasts an even higher 3.2K resolution. It also features a 16:10 aspect ratio and a 120Hz refresh rate. The Vivobook screen is also a Samsung-manufactured OLED panel, delivering a similar visual experience with excellent color coverage and a VISA Display HDR True Black 600 certification. Its factory calibration and low Delta E scores make it an outstanding choice for content creators. While both displays are exceptional in their own right, the Vivobook S16 offers a slightly higher resolution and a marginally higher HDR certification. For video conferencing and biometrics, the two laptops have different strengths. The Galaxy Book3 Ultra comes with a 1080p Full HD webcam. While this is an improvement over older 720p cameras, its performance is underwhelming. It can struggle with bright lights, which tend to blow out details, and its low light performance is not particularly sharp. It is serviceable for basic video calls, but users who rely heavily on high-quality video for professional reasons might find it lacking. The Vivobook S16 also features a 1080p IR webcam. This camera includes a manual privacy shutter for added security and supports Windows Hello facial recognition, a feature absent on the Galaxy Book3 Ultra. The image quality is excellent in well-lit conditions and acceptable in dim environments, and it is complemented by Windows Studio effects like auto-framing and eye contact correction. Regarding keyboard and touchpad, both laptops provide different user experiences. The Galaxy Book3 Ultra's keyboard is comfortable but not outstanding. Key travel is shallower, resulting in a typing feel that is a bit muted compared to chunkier laptops. However, it does include a full numeric keypad, which is a useful feature for productivity and data entry. The touchpad, on the other hand, is highlighted as excellent, large, smooth, highly responsive, and supporting accurate tracking and gestures. The Vivobook S16's chiclet-style keyboard also includes a full numpad and offers a more tactile feel with 1.5mm of key travel. It also features 3-stage RGB backlighting and a dedicated Copilot AI key. Its touchpad is equally large, feeling smooth and accurate, with a quiet and well-damped click mechanism. Finally, battery life is a key differentiator between the two machines. The Galaxy Book3 Ultra demonstrates exceptional endurance for its class, with a tested video playback time of 17 hours and 48 minutes. This is particularly impressive given its powerful components, including an Intel H-series CPU and a discrete GPU. This level of longevity allows for a full day of work and more without needing a charger, making it a highly mobile and reliable machine. The ASUS Vivobook S16, with its 75 watt-hour battery, offers a respectable but more modest battery life. In a video playback test, it lasted for 9 hours and 21 minutes, while mixed usage yielded around 8 hours. While this is a good result for a high-resolution OLED laptop, it falls significantly short of the Galaxy Book3 Ultra's remarkable endurance. Both represent two distinct approaches to the 16-inch portable computer, a difference most clearly defined by their core components and the performance they deliver. The Galaxy Book3 Ultra is built around a more traditional and more powerful, performance-oriented architecture, featuring a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13700H processor. This CPU is from Intel's H-series lineup, which is designed for high-performance laptops, and it demonstrates its strength in multi-core benchmarks, where it often scores at or near the top of its class of thin machines. This raw processing power makes the Galaxy Book3 Ultra a very capable machine for demanding tasks like software compiling, data analysis, and intricate multitasking, where having a robust CPU is key. In contrast, the ASUS Vivobook S16 employs the newer Intel Core Ultra 7 155H, a processor from Intel's Meteor Lake family. While this chip brings a number of advancements, including a more efficient architecture and an integrated NPU for AI tasks, its overall multi-core CPU performance in benchmarks is generally found to be slightly behind that of the i7-13700H. The real focus of the Core Ultra series is efficiency and integrated capabilities rather than a raw performance edge. This means for general productivity, web browsing, and common applications, both laptops feel incredibly fast and responsive, but for tasks that can fully saturate all CPU cores, the Samsung machine holds a distinct advantage. The divergence in performance becomes even more pronounced when considering their graphics solutions. The Samsung Galaxy Book3 Ultra is equipped with a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, which is a game-changer for creative and visual workloads. This discrete GPU provides hardware acceleration for professional applications like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve, significantly speeding up tasks like video encoding, 3D rendering, and effects processing. The RTX 4050 also features its own dedicated video RAM, a crucial element for complex creative projects. The ASUS Vivobook S16, on the other hand, relies solely on the integrated Intel Arc graphics of its Core Ultra processor. While these new integrated graphics are a substantial step up from older Intel Iris Xe solutions and are certainly capable of handling light creative tasks and accelerating some common workloads, they simply cannot compete with a dedicated NVIDIA GPU for heavy-duty video editing or 3D work. For instance, the rendering speed for a 3D model would be a matter of minutes on the Samsung, but potentially hours on the ASUS. This graphics disparity also extends directly into their gaming capabilities. The Galaxy Book3 Ultra, with its RTX 4050, is a capable gaming machine, especially when targeting 1080p or 1440p resolutions at medium settings. While it's not a true gaming laptop meant for pushing the highest frame rates on the most demanding AAA titles, it can handle a wide variety of modern games with a smooth and enjoyable experience, a factor greatly enhanced by its 120Hz display. The ASUS Vivobook S16, with its integrated Intel Arc graphics, is limited to more casual and less graphically intensive gaming. It can play esports titles like CS:GO or Valorant smoothly at 1080p and may even run some older or well-optimized AAA games on their lowest settings, but it will fall short of providing a truly satisfying experience for most modern, demanding titles. The performance gap here is not a matter of a small percentage but a chasm, as the dedicated graphics card offers a fundamental difference in power and capability. So, which should you buy in 2025? If you need raw power, dedicated graphics, and incredible battery life, the Samsung Galaxy Book3 Ultra is the clear winner. But if you want great OLED visuals, solid performance, and a lighter price tag, the ASUS Vivobook S16 is excellent. For most creators and professionals, the Galaxy Book3 Ultra takes the crown.